voucher was easy to redeem. Food was good, a tad salty and portions are slightly smaller but generally recommended. Service was very good and restaurant is well decorated. Excellent place. Food is very delicious and healthy. Staff is also friendly. Toilet is very clean. Baby is happy. Not my first time at this restaurant. Always impressed by the good and delicious food. Was glad that my company also enjoyed the meal. The Klook vouchers are value for money, especially that there are no other credit card discounts. Lunch of seafood mui fan and yam paste with ginkgo nuts and coconut milk in an air-conditioned eatery that evokes old-fashioned ambience. The irni is one of the best I have eaten. It is salty sweet, and very smooth. With the soft ginkgo nuts and the coconut milk, the taste and texture in the mouth is wonderful. It is a 9/10. The mui fan is also very tasty. The sauce has the right amount of saltiness and sweetness, and the two prawns are succulent and crunchy, and the chicken, mushroom, kailan and other ingredients are firm but soft. The rice is warm and moist. It is 8/10. Been here number of times. Again now with Klook vouchers. Enjoyed the pig's trotters bihun, chili prawns plus mantu, ugly cabbages, pork jowl. And not forgetting chendela orne. Keep it up. Food is tasty. The atmosphere and services is good. If you're taking train to get to the location, it will require roughly 10 to 15 minutes walk from nearest station. Definitely will be back again for these good food. Came here to first try their signature chili prawn. It is perfect ma. TCH with their fried mantu. The atmosphere is very cozy and peaceful. A very good place to hang up with friends and family. Remember, do place a booking first because the seats are limited. Food was absolute delicious. Pork jowls is must order. Signature dishes are recommended too. We'll visit again. Brought 2 Taiwanese friends and they liked the food. We had the tekabi hun, pork jowl, chili prawns with mantu, ugly cabbages, satay and finally chendela orne. All nice. Slightly pricey but food was amazing and comforting. Seafood fried rice is highly recommended, and I also love the salted duck soup. Klook voucher was easy to use. Love the ashar and pig trotters bihun. Tried the XO fish soup and it was good. Definitely worth a visit. The place was quite empty at 2 p.m. so service and food came fast. Dishes were tasty.